After download has completed, let's check that everything works fine. So let's go to our program files folder, and inside our program files folder automatically was created a MongoDB folder. Double click on that, and inside you are going to find another folder named server. Double click again. Inside another folder 3.6, which is the version, and inside you will find another folder named bin, which is the container of these two executables that we are interested in, which are MongoD and Mongo. MongoD is going to open the server, and Mongo is going to create a client for that server. So we will do that in a couple of seconds. It's nothing complicated. So to do that, let's go to cmd and open a command line, and we need to change drive and to reach to this bin folder in order to reach the MongoD executable file. So cd means change drive, give it a space, then click all this path, copy, and then right click and left click on the paste, and then hit enter. As you can see, we change drive and we are now inside this bin folder, and we can access this MongoD executable. So let's do that by typing MongoD and hit enter. Give it a couple of seconds, especially if you are on the first run, and at the end you should see that we are running on port 27017, which is the default port for MongoDB server. If for any reason you encounter an error, check it if that error is due to the fact that you do not have this folder created, and the folder created is C, data and DB. So let me show you. If you receive the error, you need to create it. So you need to go to the main drive C, where the Mongo server is installed, create a data folder, an empty one, and inside data folder create another empty folder named DB, just like this, and leave it just as it is, empty. You can see here some files which were created because I worked with this server, okay, but you can leave it empty, close this window and restart again with MongoD executable. Okay, so now that we opened the server and the server is running, we need to create a client for this server. To do that, leave this window open and create another one, cmd again. I will place it here on the left side. Again, we need to change drive to that location, give it a space and paste, hit enter. And now we need to run the Mongo executable without D. As you can see on the right side, on the first window that we created, the one with the server, underneath port 27017 appeared data about the client that we just created and which is connected at this moment with our server. I will minimize this, and here just make a simple query in order to see that everything works fine. So I'm going to give it just a simple command, which is show DBs, which means show me all the available databases. Hit enter, and you should see admin, config and local. Bookstore appears because I created manually before doing this lecture. So if you see all this and all the steps are the same as I showed you in this video, it means that everything works fine.